Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change age on Discord. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So the first thing you have to do, click on user settings and click on advanced, and from here make sure to turn on developer mode, and then I'm going to open a server, and here is my ID. So I'm right clicking above my ID and then click on copy ID. So one more thing, if you haven't turned on the developer mode, then you can't find this copy ID here. So go to advanced section and turn on developer mode, then you will be able to see this option copy ID. So all you have to need, click on copy ID and open a new tab and type here support.discord.com, then hit enter and click on submit a request, and from here select trust and safety, and here you have to put your email address and click here, and from here select appeals, age update, other questions, and from here select update my age information, and you can put your phone number here and it's totally optional. And now give here your new date according to this format. So I'm going to put in my new date here, and now check this option, type your subject here, and inside of this description box paste your Discord ID number. You can attach something from here like your NID card photo or your birth certificate photo, you can upload from here, and then simply click on submit. So this was how we can change age on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.